This 2008 Toyota Avalon has a shifter problem. Now when the shifter moves from park to reverse and then to drive, it doesn't move alongside the indicator lamp on the dashboard, and it also affects the transmission. The transmission doesn't respond as well. Now on opening the shifter assembly, you observe that the cable head, the shift cable head, is out of its mounted point. Join me as I show you how to solve this fault. Observe that the shift cable head is loosed out from where it's supposed to be mounted. So this shift cable, when fixed back to the right position, corrects all the fault. So all we need to do is to fasten it to that mount where it should be placed on, and then our problem is solved. As you can see, I used this washer and some glue to fasten it on this mount, and that solved everything. So it's time to test what we've just done. Yes, the shift cable is now moving, as well as the indicator on the dashboard. So that's the fix, guys. Let's couple this together and test once again. Problem solved. Well guys, I have so many of these kind of videos where I solve real problems in vehicle. See you in the next one.